Hey, how you doing? I was just at the ship from the Southlanders, and look what I got. I got a package in the most recent ship. I'm really excited to open this. So come with me, and we'll go into the longhouse, and I'll open this, and we'll do an unboxing and see what it is. Alright, here we have it on the bench. This looks great. I'm going to take out my knife and open this up. This is something I've been waiting for a while. I'm very excited because this is the first time on my show where something like this has happened. Ooh, look, there's a message for me. Okay, I'll pick my knife up again. Let's see what it says. It's to me. Hoot hoot. Alright, hi Austin. Sorry for the packaging job. I had to repack from a larger shipment. These horns are our large Viking horn with stand, polished, and our water buffalo tankard. Enjoy. Whoa! And look, it's a package from Alehorn. This is amazing. Alehorn is going to be sponsoring a few of my videos on Heathen Hearth, and what we're going to be doing is putting a few of the recipes that we have on their website as well. So let's see what they've got here. They're an online retailer, but holy macaroni, that is amazing. So that's a water buffalo. You can see I really like the rough look on the outside. And the thing about water buffalo horn, look how thick that is. The horn is so thick. I also have a North American buffalo horn, not a tankard like this, but a regular horn, and I love it. But it started to fray and chip, and this is perfect for feasts. And it's extremely robust, very heavy. This is an amazing gift. Thank you very much, Alehorn. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, it's the stand. These are the stands that are made out of a slice of horn. These are cool. I like these. Okay, let's see the horn though. Let's see what we got. Whoa, cool. All right. So this is with the metal ring. Now, one of the things you can do is you can always buy horns without a metal ring around the outside. This one looks to be brass, but they last much longer if you have a metal ring, because the place where your horn is most likely to start to have a problem is where you, around the top where it may fray, because it gets bumped. And then the horn is actually almost like compressed hair, the keratin in there. So it actually separates into sheets. That's actually how you can make also things like horn spoons and so on. They actually take it out. But the polishing is really nice on this. I like the fact that they have the metal ring, like I said. The inside is light, looks like to be lightly waxed. I really like a heavy wax, so I might be waxing this a little bit more. It looks like we've got, I'm not sure if that's, it looks like an epoxy around the outside edge. And then we have the stand, and that's how it goes in. So it looks like I can fill it to about there without problems with the stand. And look, the stand looks like it's will be proud of the table when I use it. So excellent job. Thank you very much, Alehorn. And stay tuned for a future episode, because of course I'm going to be making things that go in a horn for a few episodes as well. So everybody, until next time, may your hearth ever be hale and hearty. Bye.